Updating your payment information on WhatsApp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to update the payment information. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right tab for iOS to open the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Navigate to Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. Tap on it to access your payment settings and view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update payment information. Select the payment method you wish to update. You can either edit the existing information or add a new payment method by following the prompts provided. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your payment information, make sure to save the changes. You may need to verify your identity or confirm the update through a code sent to your phone. Once you've completed these steps, your payment information will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking WhatsApp Help Center for further assistance.